Once the proper Sprint Air walker size is determined, application begins by unfastening the straps, removing the anterior panel, and opening the liner. The application of the fracture sock, purchased separately, may provide additional support and comfort to the injured ankle. With the patient seated, place the foot in the walker and position the heel as far back as possible. You can now wrap the liner around the leg and the foot. You will also be able to protect the toe with the detachable toe cover provided. You will notice the adjustable toe guard provides for additional protection. It has 3 settings and can be removed if desired. You can now position the anterior panel. Next, fasten the strap starting at the forefoot, continuing to the top. Once the straps are comfortable and secure, the patient can now inflate the attached bilateral air bladders. Built-in pumps on either side of the shell can be easily pumped to provide the ideal compression to the injured ankle. Once the ideal compression has been achieved, the patient may now begin activity as directed by the physician. To deflate the bladders, open the cap next to the bulb and simply push the button. Throughout the day, the straps and air compression can be easily adjusted for comfort. When the Sprint Air walker is removed, the bilateral air bladder should first be deflated. Once deflated, the walker may be removed as directed by the physician and reapplied. The Sprint Air walker has been designed to provide the most comfortable and stable ankle walking boot available, while giving the patient ease of application and a natural gait. The Sprint Air walker is also available in a low-top version. Sprint is a registered trademark of Bird&Cronin Incorporated.